Canada House is an Art Nouveau-style office building on Chepstow Street in Manchester, England. Constructed originally as a packing warehouse, the building opened in 1909. Designed by local architect William Higginbottom, the building has features consistent with Art Nouveau and has a terracotta exterior. Canada House is one of many warehouses in Manchester alongside Watts Warehouse, Asia House, India House and Churchgate House. Canada House is a Grade II listed building. The building was extensively renovated during the 1990s. Tenants of Canada House include English Heritage, who have their northwest office at the building, sportwear company Puma, and a Bannatyne Heath Club. See also listed buildings in Manchester. M1.